Discovering Sumer, the peace and war adventures of the Standard of Ur. Imagine stepping into a time machine and landing in the ancient land of Sumer, where the people lived around 4,500 years ago. The Standard of Ur, like a magical storybook, holds tales of their everyday life. Let's explore the exciting peace and war sides of this ancient treasure to uncover the secrets of Sumerian life. The war side. On the war side, picture a grand adventure filled with brave warriors marching in formation. It's like a team getting ready for a big game, but instead of a field, they are preparing for battles. These warriors captured prisoners and showed them to a mighty king, the leader of Sumer. This side tells us that Sumerians had strong warriors who worked together just like a team, and sometimes they had battles. The king, like a hero captain, led the way. The peace side. Turn the pages to the peace side and a different story unfolds. This side is all about joy and celebration. Imagine a massive family party or a community gathering. People are enjoying banquets with tasty food and drinks. This part shows us that Sumerians cherished peaceful moments, celebrated together, and enjoyed the good times. It's like catching a glimpse of their happy and festive side. What the stories tell us. Both sides of the Standard of Ur are like snapshots of Sumerian life. The war side teaches us about their brave warriors, the importance of teamwork, and the challenges of battles. On the peace side, we learn how much they love to celebrate, share joy, and come together as a community. It's like reading different chapters of their exciting lives, with moments of both excitement and happiness. Amazing artwork. What makes this ancient storybook even more special is the incredible artwork. Sumerians were like master artists, using materials like shells, limestone, and a beautiful blue stone called lapis lazuli to create this masterpiece. The pictures not only tell the stories, but also show off their amazing skills in making something that has lasted thousands of years. A little mystery. Even though we can see these fantastic stories, there's a bit of mystery too. We're not entirely sure why they made this special box or what it was used for. It's like finding a puzzle piece and wondering where it fits. But that's the fun part, exploring and discovering the ancient secrets of Sumer. In the end, the Standard of Ur is like a magical time-traveling storybook, allowing us to dive into the thrilling adventures, joyous celebrations, and a little mystery of ancient Sumer.